Hello, it's Nancy from Coastal Cameo, and today we are opening a shopgoodwill.com box from Georgia, Norcross, Georgia. This says 10 pounds on the outside. Believe it or not, the auction did not show the weight. I looked everywhere and it didn't, so I kind of went by the pictures. We'll give it a peek and see what we think. Ooh, looks like some good stuff. Lots of big stuff in here. Okay, well, we're going to go ahead and get the camera set up and get a handful out and get started. Hold, please. Okay, we found a lot of bracelets when I was grabbing, so we will start with that. Here are the ordering instructions for the video. I do sell direct from the video, so if there's anything you'd like to purchase, just email me at coastalcameo1@gmail.com with the timestamp, a brief description, and the price that's shown on the screen. The price doesn't include shipping. I will quote the shipping once I know your zip code and how much jewelry that you want to purchase. Then I will send you a PayPal invoice you can check out as a guest, and once I receive payment, I will ship your items out. So there's that in case you need to screenshot it. I will try to remember to put it down below too. Okay, first up is, let's see if we've got a good, if we're too zoomed in. That appears to be good. Okay, the bangles I sell 2 for $1 unless otherwise noted on the screen. So this is a wooden bangle. Looks to be in pretty good condition. Here is another wooden bangle with this beaded detail, silver tone beaded detail. Looks like some of this inlay here is coming up, so just note that. This is a beaded 3-strand necklace. Still has the hang tag from Lucky. It says semi-precious accents. I believe these are acrylic beads, and then these silver tone beads at the bottom. Here is the Lucky 4-leaf clover. It's got a lobster clasp. It's in excellent condition. Looks like it came right off the shelf. This is a little bracelet that says Diva. It's one of those expandable bracelets. It's got a little stiletto charm and a little crystal charm. It's in pretty good condition. Here is a chunky wooden bangle. It's got a little bit of wear on it. That'll probably go in the 2 for $1. This one is really kind of cool. It's got a brown interior and then kind of a crackle pattern yellow on the outside. Looks like it's in good condition. This is a memory wire bracelet with some white enameled sections and some gold tone sections. Looks like it's in good condition. Let's do this ring. This is a gorgeous ring. It's a black faceted cabochon silver tone ring. It does have wear on the ring and a little bit on the sides. Not as bad, but the cabochon looks like it's in excellent condition. This is a green acrylic bangle. It has different sizes. This side is thinner than this side. It's clear with that green marbling through it. Looks like it's in excellent condition too. Then we have this one. This is enameled metal bangle. It's got this kind of bronze color on the rim, and then the main section of the bracelet is kind of an ivory color, cream colored with some detail on it, and it's white on the inside. Very good condition on that. This is a strand of plastic beads. I'll put that in craft for $1. Here is another bracelet like the yellow one, only it is orange crackle. Good condition. This is gorgeous. It's coated, but I believe these are genuine abalone pieces. And then it's got this shell, it's not an inlay, these little shell squares all the way around. It's in excellent condition. That's gorgeous. Here is an ivory colored bangle like the green one with the different sizing. It's in good condition, just needs a bath. Uh-oh, something already fell off of the tray. Here's a brass bangle with the wood all the way around it. It's just brass on the inside. Very good condition. This is really cool. This is a shell pendant. Looks like it's dyed red on the outside. It's like an ombre red to kind of a peachy coral. Then seed bead, and this is fabric cord, C-spring clasp. This is an oversized pendant. It's pretty big. Good condition on that. This is a leather wraparound strap. I'll put that in craft for $1. This is a wooden bead stretch bracelet. I'll put that in craft for $1. This is an AB coated necklace with some gold accent beads. It's got a cross pendant, C-spring clasp. It's in good condition. Oh, I like this, but it's on the bottom of the pile. Let's do this. This is a gorgeous necklace with these faceted lapis lazuli stone. And actually, I don't know if anybody knows, these are cold to the touch, and I believe they are lapis. But they could be sodalite, and I get myself all confused when I'm looking at them. But I know the lapis has pyrite and calcium. Is it calcium? There's another mineral that kind of goes through the lapis, so that's where I get confused. But it's in excellent condition. These little sections are faceted. I don't know if you can see that. And then they're separated by the same stone beads. It's in excellent condition. Yeah, that's gorgeous. This is a stretch bracelet that's broken. It's got a bar section there that looks like it may have had another strand to it, so that's going to go in craft for $1. Got our first earring. Let's see, hopefully this is not tangled up. Uh-oh. There's that. This is one of those bracelets that can expand. It's got these sparkly silver tone beads, and then the woven cord is black. It's in good condition. Here is a coral colored bangle with that different sizing. It's in good condition. This is going to go in the 2 for $1. It's got quite a bit of wear on it. It's got like a sparkly inlay in the middle. This is a clamper bracelet. It says, what does that say? Let me get my loop. Uh-oh. That was not good. That was my scratching stone. But that's okay. I have a bunch of them. Okay, this says Premier USA. I don't know if that's Premier Design or what that is. There's another mark on the other side. It says the same thing. I don't know, but there's quite a bit of wear on this. I'll work on trying to get it cleaned up, but if not, I'll put it in craft for $1. It's got just a lot of wear in the silver tone finish. Couple of red plastic bangles. Probably 2 for $1 on those. This is a little stretch ring with some pink beads. That's kind of cute. It's got that cha-cha sound to it. This is a silver tone stretch bracelet. Here's another wooden bangle with the beaded pattern, but this one's broken, so that's going to go in craft. I will still do the bangles 2 for $1, so if they're in craft. Second earring. This is a stretch bracelet with some acrylic beads, but I think it's lost its, yeah, it's lost its stretch. That's going to go in craft for $1. This is a really pretty sparkly bracelet. It's a stretch bracelet with faux pearls, clear rhinestones, and these silver tone beads. Trying to see if there's anything missing. I don't see anything missing just at first glance. Looks like it's in pretty good condition. Not a lot of wear on the inside. That's pretty. Okay. This is a gorgeous bracelet, or I'm sorry, it's a necklace with these kind of champagne colored rhinestones. It's kind of like a bib style necklace. Let's see if I can reach the neck. Well, that's pretty, really pretty. I love the pattern on that. And I don't see any missing rhinestone, which is awesome. Then it has these silver tone bar beads in between. And then kind of a snake chain, senorita clasp. This is the, I believe that's the Madewell hang tag. This is in excellent condition. I think they do pretty good on their jewelry. I think it's pretty well made, as the name implies, Madewell. This is a little glass pendant on a fabric cord, cobalt blue with the little eyeball in the middle. It's in excellent condition. Couple more bangles. Those will go in the 2 for $1. They're kind of brass toned. This one has a little pattern to it. Here is another really cool necklace. Oh, what's missing? Darn it. It's missing this one little bead there. I like it. It's got these real pale blue rhinestones and then the marbled cabochons, but one of them's missing. That'll go in craft for $1. This is, okay, these are clay beads. This is clay, these are clay. These are just plastic beads, but I like that. It's a necklace with a screw barrel clasp. Very good condition. Very colorful. A very bent earring. That'll go in craft. Here are a couple of ankle bracelets with white seed beads and then pink and gold accents. It's got a little dolphin charm. They are both exactly the same and appears to be the same size. Good condition. This is not a very good. It is, I think these are wooden beads and then some green and yellow and black seed beads, but the beads are not in great shape. So that's going to go in craft for $1. This is a pretty necklace. Okay, this says Leslie Danzis, and I have found this brand actually a couple of times, I believe. This is gorgeous. It's got these kind of champagne colored rhinestones, teardrop pattern on all of them. I don't see anything missing. It's got an antiqued gold tone chain the dog wants in, and lobster clasp. Here is the hang tag on it. Leslie Danzis. It's in good shape and it feels very well made. Gorgeous. Just a silver tone textured bangle. Okay, I think I'm going to have to throw this away because there's like, yeah, this is going to go in the trash. Yuck. Here is a bracelet with some red and yellow acrylic beads and then some silver tone separator beads. A little charm on it. Toggle clasp. Needs a bath, but it's in pretty good condition otherwise. This is tangled. This is really pretty. It's got white, these are acrylic beads, and then these are beads that are meant to look like stone chips, but they are not real stone. And then these are acrylic as well. Silver tone lobster clasp, multi-strand necklace in good condition. This necklace right here is really cool. This big chunky style blue, black, and white. This is very retro looking. It's a long necklace and it's in excellent condition, but these beads are nice. I love it. Cobalt blue with black and white beads. That's gorgeous. Can't get over how good the condition of that is. Here is a little brooch pin with a rose and ribbon, and it says, the dangle heart says mother, has a clear rhinestone on it. Virtually no wear on that. This, oh my, I don't know. This is awfully small. Okay, let's look at this. Let's see what this says. S-H-A-S-H-I. These are, I can't tell what these beads are, but it has these red accent beads and these like jade green colored seed beads. It's got a couple of little tassels and a lobster clasp. Here's the hang tag. What I can't figure out is if this is, I guess, a small necklace. I'm not sure. Maybe a kid's size necklace. It's in excellent condition and very pretty. Okay. These are brass colored beads. This says, W-A on the hang tag. It's got a little stone of some sort, teardrop, and a tassel. And then these zigzag pattern beads and different shapes and sizes of these bronze colored beads. It's in really good condition. How does this clasp work? Do you just button it? Probably, maybe. I'm not sure. I will work on that. It may end up in craft just because I don't know if the clasp itself is complete, but it's in excellent condition. And these beads would be fun to craft with. This is just a silver tone chain. I'll put that in craft for $1. This is a stretchy, like a bronze colored bead bracelet. This one might be tangled. No. Here's another bangle, gold tone bangle in good condition. Okay, I don't know about this necklace because it is really long, but it's got these multi-strands of gold tone chain, white seed beads. It's got quite a bit of wear up around the clasp, so I think I'm going to put that in craft for $1. And we have this that has kind of a, what is that, like a tusk? I don't know. It's got a lot of wear on it. I'm going to put that in craft as well. And I'm going to grab another handful, so hold please. Okay, next up, let's just get the little stuff out. Another wooden stretch bead bracelet, little silver tone bangle. This is a gold tone bangle, not in great condition. This is a stretch bracelet. These shiny beads are not in great shape, so that's going to go in craft for $1. I don't know what this is, but I'm going to put it in craft for $1. It's a pin of some sort. This is kind of a twist ring with a filigree scroll design, silver tone. I don't see any marks or anything. It's in pretty good condition. There's some wear on the underside of the ring. Okay, this is part of a necklace. Probably going to put that in craft for $1 because I don't see the rest of it. This is a really cool necklace, chunky style retro necklace. Look at this round bead. It's got clear and cream colored and black layers. Then you got this, which is yellow with brown in it. This looks like some sort of shell. Can't tell if that's real shell. It is cold to the touch. Black chain. There is no clasp, so it's a long necklace. I love the beads on that. And this one is really cool. It's got these blue beads with cream colored accents. And look at this clasp. Very cool. These are acrylic beads. Needs a bath, but it's in really good condition. I love that color. Very vibrant blue. Here's another stretch bracelet that's going to go in craft. An acrylic earring. Here is a ring, silver tone ring with like a painted stone made to look like a howlite or something. Clear rhinestones all around it. There is wear on the underside, no marks, but really cool ring. This one is gorgeous. It's got an acrylic square cabochon and gold tone with clear rhinestones. I don't see any of them missing. That is really cool. Kind of on the small side. I'll put the size on the screen when I'm editing. I don't like to have to measure everything in the video. I'll just do it when I'm editing. That'll save you the wait time. This is a worn charm bracelet with butterflies, dragonflies, toggle clasp. I'm going to put that in craft for $1. Here is a bangle, a black bangle with these this cross pattern or X pattern, kind of in a turquoise blue color. It's in really good condition. A little screw back earring. Hopefully we'll find a mate to that. These are acrylic faceted beads, green. I think I'm going to put this in craft just because these silver tone beads are pretty worn. But these dangles, these teardrop dangles would be really cool to craft with. It's just on a fabric, piece of fabric. Yeah, that's going to go in craft for $1. Little stretch bracelet, that's going to go in craft. This is kind of a cool bracelet. It's got these interlocking oval sections and a toggle clasp, and I think it's in pretty good condition. Little butterfly charm, and I think this is a bracelet, but I'm going to put it in craft because it's pretty worn. Stretch bracelet with these smoky gray faceted beads. It's in good condition. Then we have these purple faceted beads on a gunmetal chain. Actually, it's a black gunmetal, black wire, and then these gunmetal sections in between the faceted beads. No hang tags or anything. Those are acrylic beads. Another stretch bracelet, but this one is, I don't think I would trust it, so I'm going to put that in craft for $1. Okay, these are clear faceted beads Yeah, this is going to go in craft as well. The beads are in good shape, but I'm not sure what's happening with the clasp. Not sure what these are, but this is like a bronze chain. And then it's got these two stones at the bottom. Yeah, they're both genuine stone, but I have no idea what this would be. If you have any idea, comment below. Let me know. It would be nice as a necklace, but I'm not sure how you would keep it on. Okay, this one's cool. It's got a toggle clasp and these shell sections. Yeah, that is really cool. They're like abalone, mother of pearl. They look like teeth, like shark's teeth. And then the clear faceted beads are acrylic. And I think these accent beads are also mother of pearl or abalone. It's got a toggle clasp, excellent condition. I might check the clasp for sterling. I'll put that on the screen if I find it. Here's the other part of that one necklace with the clear beads. That's going to go in craft, so you'll get all of the beads. This is a broken rhinestone necklace, so that'll go in craft. A little gunmetal bangle. This one's a brass bangle. There's a wooden bangle, kind of like the one we had earlier, I think. A little memory wire bracelet with some pink and purple and blue faceted beads. This is really got a lot of verdigris on it. I'm going to throw that away. Actually, those beads there, I think, are milk glass. I think these are glass beads, so I may disassemble it and do something with the beads. I'm not sure. I'm not a crafter, so. Okay. Our first tangle. It's not even a chain. Okay, here is a gold tone rhinestone bracelet. There is a mark on the clasp. Let's see what that says. Oh, it says Avon. Little gold tone bracelet. I'm sure it's vintage. No missing rhinestones. Way to go, Avon. Some of their stuff I really, really liked. Okay, this is a lava stone bracelet, stretch bracelet with a little charm that says create, and then it's got music notes on the back. Very good condition. This is another stretch bracelet that the stretchy elastic is coming out of, so that's going to go in craft. Here is another one of those little tassel necklaces. This one has the black seed beads. It's in good shape. This is a string of shells. I'm going to put all of these in craft for $1. There's quite a few there. One of you crafters can use those. These are, I believe, stone beads of some sort. They're kind of like, I don't know, like a dark gray green color. So I don't know what that stone would be, but hopefully you can see that in the video. And it's got these silver tone accent beads. Feels like it's pretty well made. I don't know, I'm going to research that stone just to see. That's how we learn. This is really nasty, so it's going to go in the trash. And there's a little piece of something. Not sure what. It's got, that's all going to go in craft. This will go in craft. These are plastic beads. Oh, this is one of those necklaces that lights up. But it's tangled with this, so. What on earth? Okay. This wire is so sticky that this is strung on. Yeah, I'm gonna throw that away too. Very sticky wire. This is a bracelet with a flower with a kind of a greenish rhinestone. I'm going to put that in craft. Don't know what this is, but it's missing a big chunk of itself. This is a little black bead necklace that has a broken clasp, so that's going to go in craft. This is a twisted silver tone bangle in excellent condition. This is a little heart with some flowers, roses on it. It's acrylic on a silver tone chain with a C-spring clasp. There's a little crown ring with some AB coated rhinestones, but one of them is missing, so that's going to go in craft for $1. Then we have various stretch bracelets. These will be 2 for $1 in craft. Can't figure out how this is attached to this, because look, it's like, I don't know how that got on there. Oh well. This is a gold tone broken chain, so craft for $1. Little brass bangle. Here's some more of these clear faceted beads. They are really pretty actually, but it's all pieces of something that's broken. That's also broken. I'll just throw all of those beads in one lot in craft. What on earth? There we go. This is a really cool expandable bracelet with some black and then red, yellow, and green beads. Excellent condition. This is a magnetic. That's in not great condition. That's going to go in craft for $1. Same as this. This could be a really cool necklace, but the beads are really yellowed down here on this tassel. So that's going to be in craft, as is this. It's a broken necklace with a big gold tone pendant. So hold please, and I will grab another handful. Okay, we're back. This is everything that was left in the box. This is a keychain that says Cape Cod. Really good condition, very cute. There were a couple of bangles. This green one and this gold tone one. In good shape. This is I think it's meant to be gold tone, but it's pretty worn. This is a little, I think, part of something. It says Coach. I don't know if it was part of a keychain, part of a purse, I don't know. It's going to go in craft for $1. This is a really pretty bracelet, but I think it's bent right here. And the clasp comes out, but I don't think I think the little thing is missing, looks like. It's in okay condition otherwise. I guess maybe someone could put a different clasp on it. The stones in this are really pretty. So that's going to go in craft for $1. This one is also going to go in craft because its stretch is not good. This is really pretty. It's got these silver tone sections with kind of a champagne color rhinestone in the middle. None of them are missing. It's got good stretch left to it. That's a good one. This is a silver tone stretch bracelet. We have this ring that is silver tone. It's a bigger size, I think. It's in pretty good condition. It's got some wear on the underside. I think there's a mark in there. Let's see what that says. We know it's not. Whoops, just dropped it. Oh well, I'll get that in a minute. Oh, this is gorgeous. It has a mark on the clasp. This is lapis, and okay, it says 14 karat gold filled, but lapis, and then but look at these little cloisonne beads. That's gorgeous. I might have to keep that one. I don't know. I'll let you know on the screen what I decide. This is a 2-finger stretch ring, but it's just about to bust right there, so that's going to go in craft. Here is another one of those flower, I don't know if that's meant to be a pendant, with the greenish gray rhinestone. That's going to go in craft. Here is another one. This one has a chain on it. I'm not sure if these all belong together. I don't know, but they're all going to be in craft. This is a stretch pearl bracelet, but it's missing a strand, so that's going to go in craft. This is a bracelet that says Linda. So if your name is Linda and you comment below, I will send that to you if you pay shipping. This is a 3-flower silver tone ring. It's got quite a bit of wear, but it's cool. Yeah, I don't see any marks in it. A really cool chunky hoop earring. I don't see the mate or the mate on it. A wooden stretch bracelet, that's going to go in craft. Here's another one, also will go in craft. This is a really cool flower pin, but the back side of it is really worn. So I'm going to put that in craft as well. This is a piece of something. It's got leather over it. I don't know if it was a pendant. Here is another one of those sparkly inlay bangles. That'll go in the 2-for-1. This is a green cabochon ring with a gold tone finish, but a lot of the finish is missing. So I'm going to put that in craft for $1. Here's a little set of 3 interlocking rings with blue enameling. They're in good shape. Really good shape. This is gorgeous. This is like a cloisonne style ring. Can't really tell if that is meant to be something. It's just got these little sections with pink and green and blue, and then the gold tone accents. It's blue enamel on the inside. Really pretty. Oh, this is cute. This is a heart ring with some marcasites and a mark. It says 925 something. I don't know what that other, I don't know if it's a letter. It's a small ring, but I'll test it and make sure it's sterling, and then I'll put that on the screen. I don't see any of the marcasites missing, so that's good. Got this little shell necklace, but I'm going to put this in craft. It's very tangled. Oh, here is another one of those cloisonne rings. It's got the blue enamel on the inside and then the red on the outside with some different colors, white, blue, gold. Here is another one of these cloisonne beaded bracelets. That is so cool. Let's see. It says 14 karat gold filled too. I might have to keep this one too. I hate to do that, but I love cloisonne jewelry. Okay. Ooh, this is pretty. This is a red cabochon brushed hammered gold tone ring in excellent condition. I don't see any marks on it, but I think it's pretty well made. Yeah, that is really pretty. I don't wear red very often, so no risk of me keeping that. This is another enamel ring with kind of a corally color enamel, silver tone on the inside. Pretty good condition. Here is an earring that matches that necklace, but I don't see the mate. Oh, that stinks. And the hook says 925. I need to check the necklace also for sterling. Well, that's a bummer. This is a little bead, couple of beads, just random beads. Little mermaid pendant charm on a string. I'll just put that in craft for $1. This is a stretch ring, bronze tone, but it's missing something. So that's going to go in craft. This is a multi-strand silver tone necklace with these clear acrylic beads. See any maker marks on it, but it's in really good condition. It's kind of like a matte silver tone. Pretty. This is a clay stretch bracelet, but it is about to bust, so that's going to go in craft. And then we also have the necklace. Now these are clay, this is acrylic, but I'm going to put it in craft so it can all stay together. We have a shell and plastic bead stretch bracelet. This little flower ring, gold tone with these kind of, what would you call that? I don't know, like a cream colored enamel. It's in good condition. This is a teeny tiny ring. Probably would be more like an accent ring, gold tone, good condition. Boy, we're just finding all kinds of rings. This is a double arrow ring with some clear rhinestones, gold tone, in good condition. An earring that I don't think we have the mate for. This is a broken copper colored chain. Another bangle. Here's another one actually. Yeah, that one's pretty worn. Okay, then we have this little two dolphins on a pink cat eye bead. I think it's either a charm or a pendant, so that'll go in craft. Another earring that we don't have a mate for. This is more of that milk glass bead piece. I don't know if it was a necklace or what it was, but I'll see if I can't disassemble that and do something with it. These two barrettes I'll put together. One has flowers with pink rhinestones and the other one has blue rhinestones. I think there's a mark on it, but I don't know what that mark says. But I'll put those together. Stretchy wooden bead bracelet. This is broken, so it's going to go in craft. Silver tone necklace. This is going to go in craft. Actually, that might have to go in the trash. It's got quite a bit of verdigris on it. This is, oh, it's a cute little adjustable ring with some, looks like turquoise inlay. There is a mark. 925 SLCM Mexico something. So I believe it's sterling. It looks to be sterling. It is adjustable somewhat. Don't want to stretch it too much. I don't know if those are meant to be like waves or dolphins or, but a very cute ring. Then we have these triple heart with the pink rhinestone earrings that have the attached backs. They look to be in excellent condition. I think that is the only actual pair of earrings that we've found. This little cuckoo clock charm is going to go in craft. This is a long necklace that appears to be tangled. But it's got these yellow colored faux pearls. I'm going to put it in craft because I'm not going to take the time to detangle that. But these are really pretty yellow faux pearls. Stretchy white bracelet, but it's going to have to go in craft because it's about to bust. Another earring with no mate. This little probably toe ring. I might check that for sterling. I don't see any marks in it, but it's very cute. Definitely has to be a toe ring. That's very tiny. And last but not least, we have this, and it is broken. I think it was a brooch of some sort. And these stones are kind of like a real pale yellow. But that's going to go in craft to finish off. Well, we found some really cool things. We found the stone necklace, a couple of, at least one sterling ring, some really cool bangles, and a couple of really cool necklaces. So yeah, that wasn't bad. I got that. I think I put my max bid in at $40 and I ended up winning the auction. So I think I'll definitely get my money back out of it. And it's always fun to go through those. So thank you for coming along. If you would give it a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you aren't subscribed, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe. That way you get notifications when I put up new videos. I do stick to a Thursday, Sunday schedule right now. I'll let you know if that's going to change, but right now it's working fine for me. I hope you have a great evening, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.